welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica and I love talking all things curl products and doing really in-depth curl product reviews on popular curl products that exist in the curl product market right now. Say curl products again one more time, I dare you. Today, I'm really excited to try something completely new to me, which is a leave-in conditioner bar. That's right, a leave-in conditioner bar. This leave-in conditioner bar promises to provide frizz-free curly hair. So let's dive right in and see if this product lives up to the hype. If you are new here, I am the CEO and founder of a brand called Curls Monthly. Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of the best curly hair products on the market. And we have videos like this that sort of go along with each product in there. So whether you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello, or not, and you're just wanting to know more about the product, this video will tell you everything you need to know about the Vida Bars Leave-in Conditioner. Now, I did use one other bar product ever in my life, and that was a shampoo bar that we actually had, I believe, in maybe February 2024 Curls Monthly. So I will make sure to link that shampoo bar video below just so you can see that as well if you're more interested in the bars. That was a really great shampoo bar. The Vida Bars also has excellent shampoo bars. They are all about clean ingredients. All of their shampoo bars are handmade, which I think is so cool. But like I said, the star of today's show is the Vida Bars all-in-one leave-in conditioner. This is actually a glycerin-free leave-in conditioner bar, so if you are somebody who deals with a lot of frizz from humidity, glycerin-free products are going to be great for you. And actually, this bar is equivalent to 2 to 3 bottles of products. So you can see this is the size of the bar. They hand make every single bar, so every single bar will actually vary. This is the full size. I'll show you a second the size that comes in Curls Monthly. It's still pretty big, but this is 2 to 3 bottles of leave-in conditioner. It is completely color safe if you have color hair. It's gluten-free, and it's also very lightweight. So if you have more fine hair, it's gonna be great for you. It's also easy to control how much you put in your hair, and it does have some protein. So protein's gonna be really great for helping your curls curl, stay into place, and this is the size that you get inside of Curls Monthly. It's so cute, and honestly, this is gonna last you a good long time. Very curious to hear your thoughts on it. But these leave-in conditioner bars are just going to help improve shine, volume, and softness of your curls. Vida Bars was founded by a curly hair girl, so she definitely was out to make a sort of a plastic-free curly hair product line. It is really dedicated to mostly curls. So definitely check out their other products such as their shampoos and conditioner bars. Everything is bar there, which I think is seriously so cool. This specific leave-in conditioner is great for fine hair. Really anybody who also just prefers a bit more volume to their routine because it's not going to be super creamy and heavy and weigh your hair down. Now, super coarse hair might want to be more careful. It's not really about being more careful. Maybe you just want to use more, or just know that it's a lighter weight product. And super low porosity hair should also just be aware that there is protein within the product. Now, I always love looking through in depth the ingredients inside each product that we focus on this channel. And that's because the front of the bottle could say one thing, or I guess the front of the box in this case could say one thing, but it's really the ingredient list that's going to actually tell you what the product does. The ingredient list can't lie. So taking a look at these ingredients, we have benzotronium methosulfate, which is a conditioning agent. Then we have cetyl alcohol, which is also a conditioning agent. Cetyl alcohol actually will help pull moisture into your hair, which I think is pretty cool. Then we have theobroma cacao seed butter, which is more of a juicier moisturizing agent. It's definitely going to help hydrate your hair. Then we have Arginana spinosa kernel butter. Again, that's another butter, which is going to help moisturize your hair. Then we have Ribes nigrum butter. I am definitely pronouncing these things wrong, but again, another butter that's great for moisturization. We have all these nice moisturization products right up front. Then we have guar hydroxypropyltronium chloride. That one. You try to say it, and then you'll understand. And that's better for combing, reducing frizz. Then we have centermonium chloride, also has anti-frizz properties. You see a pattern here. Then we have lactobacillus ferment that also strengthens your hair follicles. Then we have hydrolyzed rice protein, which also strengthens your hair follicles. Panthenol provitamin B5, so good for shine. Vitamin B5 is so great for your hair and skin. Italica seed oil, which is a great conditioning agent. And then that lemon peel oil is certainly what gives this bar its smell. The bar does not have like synthetic fragrances. It has things like the citrus peel oil. So again, it is really a good, clean brand. There's no like added fake fragrances there. All right, I'm going to wash and condition my hair and then we'll get to styling. So this is what my hair looks like after the shower. It's obviously very wet. I shampooed and conditioned it as normal. Now, before you put any product in, let alone a leave-in conditioner bar, you definitely wanna make sure that your hair is super duper wet. So I'm actually going to re-wet it again with a spray bottle because that's how wet you want your hair. So I'm dampening my hair. Naturally, my hair is like a 3A. I have about medium thickness and medium density. And it tends to get very dry and frizzy. Like my hair definitely tends to be on the drier side. Like I've never had oily roots in my life. I would love one day for my hair to get oily because it just does not do that. So I am just wetting my hair until I cannot wet my hair anymore. So in order to use a leave-in conditioner bar, you're obviously going to take it out of its package. This is so satisfying. So you want your hair to be wet, but you also definitely want your bar to be wet. So we're gonna wet it in the sink. Now you can also do this in the shower. You could do this whole thing in the shower. I got out of the shower obviously and got changed. Either works as long as your hair is dripping and the bar is very wet as well. Then when the bar is wet, you want to lather it between your hands. Now this is a conditioner, so it's not going to get like the craziest, sudsiest lather because that's what shampoo does, that's not what conditioner does. But I can definitely feel my hands getting softer and you can kind of see like a little mini lather on this. You can even see on the bar how it's starting to lather. So you're just going to keep rubbing it in between your hands till you get a creamy consistency. Should take like 20 to 30 seconds. Then it says to apply to the length of your hair. I always recommend applying products from the ends and working right to the roots, so I definitely agree with that. I don't know if by the directions you're supposed to like apply it like this or if you just take what's on your hands. So I think because the picture on the directions shows a girl like this, I think we're gonna do it like this. But basically I am just going to apply it focusing on my ends. It is like kind of satisfying using this. Like there's something about it that's like feels so, I don't know what the word is, like vintage. Because honestly, in like the early 20th century, everything was a bar. Now I don't think they had leave-in conditioner bars. I don't think they were that well-versed in hair care yet, but I mean, it does feel quite good. I also definitely like it's super lightweight. So like I said, it would be great for fine hair. I think this is gonna help give me a lot of volume. And then I'm just taking like a little bit up to the top. My hair does feel a lot softer, that is for sure. But it feels like I've never had this soft feeling before. Like it's like a very soft, but like very, at the same time, moisturized. I don't know. You'll have to try it and figure it out. Okay, so I think I put a good amount on my hair. Definitely it's gonna be trial and error. Again, this is the first time I'm using it, so I'm not exactly sure, but I think I put a good amount. It really does feel amazing. The smell of this is heavenly. It smells so natural, so clean. Now, it doesn't say this on the directions, but I'm definitely going to recommend brushing the product through. I think that that makes such a difference for the end result because then the product can really touch every single hair strand. And it is at this point in my hair routine that I'm also going to make my part. My hair truly is soaking up all the goodness from that bar though. It feels so soft. Like, I don't know if you can see how soft it is, but like it is hydrated, but still very lightweight. I really can feel such a difference. So I am going to style my hair as per usual. I am going to do all the steps I normally do, and I will show you what it looks like when it dries using the Vida Bars Leave-in Conditioner. So I'll see you in a second. So here's the final results. It looks really, really good. It's extremely lightweight. There's no way down. It's so bouncy thanks to the strengthening and protein ingredients within there. It really is a good wash day. I'm extremely impressed. Now I'm going to show you some glamour shots of this wash day as I talk a little bit about Vida Bars as a whole. As I said, it's founded by a curly haired woman and the products range from very moisturizing and nutrient rich to protein free formulas. Everything is derived from naturally derived ingredients. 5% of profits from Vida Bars is donated to educational funds for survivors of domestic violence. About 100,000 lives have changed through their donations. Not only that, but Vida Bars themselves have prevented about 1 million plastic bottles from being manufactured yearly, and they have saved over 50,000 gallons of water since their bars are waterless. All that is pretty dang cool. I definitely recommend this product. I'm really honestly thrilled with it. I can't really say enough. I did put a gel on after, of course, because I want to style my hair curly, but it's a game changer. This is a really great product. I think a lot of people with finer, lower density hair are really going to love it because you can really control how much you put into it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all the good things, and I will see you next time.